So I got these spiderwort and some daylilies that I dug up at my house. We're gonna plant them at around my sister's lake. Come along. This is what the daylilies look like. They're just now peeking out of the ground. Now is the perfect time to take out your bulbs and separate them. So if you have hostas, if you have daylilies, if you have spiderwort, and I'll show you a close-up of the spiderwort here in a second. You can pull them out now, separate them, and put them anywhere on your property you want. And eventually they do spread. That's the beauty of bulbs. So what I like to do when I'm transporting them to other people's homes is I dig them out. This is the spiderwort. And I just put them in some plastic bags so they're easy to transport. They're not going to be in the bag wall. And I didn't feel like digging all my pots out. We're ready to get going. Come along. Come on, buddy. Check it out, y'all. So we're digging this hole to throw one of my spiderworts from the front yard, and look what we find. We think it's a muskrat hole.
Some done.
So are we gonna like fill the hole up with something?
I don't know.
How about some rocks?
Oh, they'll dig right around that bad boy. And rocks ain't gonna stop them.
Is it still safe to plant it there?
Man, that shit's just sinking. It's crazy.
How deep is it?
Couldn't know.
Every bit that we just dug out is filling that back in the hole. Look at that. There's not even enough dirt around.
No, she stomps it down, it'll be alright. No, it's not. It's plenty thick. Yeah, it's so low. They had like a U. It's low. I got. Oh, it's bad. You don't want muskrats. You see that thing? Probably can't see it.
Yeah.
There's some digging little rascals.
Gag on it. Last little spiderwort to go in.
What about somewhere else?
I think she wanted to match the other end there.
She don't know.
Because she put the one at the other end.
She doesn't want to. I don't believe that shit.
I think she wants it to match.
Excuse my language, but I don't believe it.
There isn't another deep hole. Keep going. Oh, sounded like you hit rock.
No, it's a frog.
That's a frog?
No. There she goes. All right, Wartlock, what'd you call this stuff?
Spiderwort.
Spiderwort. Whatever the hell it is. Boom, you're done.
Yeah, you could probably use some of that dirt on the other side if you have extra, since this one didn't have a gaping hole with a path out to the lake under it. A hole halfway to China. Yeah, she'll come down and give it a good step. Stepping
You
on.
don't have to, because I'm not.
Right?
I'm getting all muddy over
I gotta drive home. I don't want to get my shoes muddy either. They're muddy enough. Right on.
Come on,
Thank
all this
you.
stuff will be coming up.
What?
All this stuff, that's my lazy, or no, black-eyed Susans.
Yeah. Pretty soon it's all going to be blooming.
Coming.